Welcome to another video tutorial from Bridge Club Manager. This is Manny Rodrigues, and in this video I will be showing you how to utilize the Partnership Desk. To begin, we will click on the Partners link at the top of your web page. From here, you can search for a partner. If none exists, you can request a partner by clicking on the Request a Partner link. Set the date needed and the session, either morning, afternoon, or evening. And also select the best method of contact, whether phone, text, or by email. Click the Post button to publish your partnership request. Here, it gives a brief review of who has requested and when. You can view the player's profile or delete your request. To contact someone, simply click on their name. Since John requested us to send him an email, we have the email prompt. Here we can insert a custom message. We can also choose to have the system email us a copy. Once your request for a partner has been filled, please return to the partnership desk and delete your request.